Hey guys, Elizabeth here, and today we're going to make a tutorial. Now today we're going to make a thumbnail using Pixlr, and it's completely free, you don't have to worry about that. It's simple, easy to use, all that jazz. Now I just found out that you can't use Pixlr with Chromium. I found that out because my computer somehow defaulted back to Chromium that, I'm not a big fan of. But I tried to do this on Chromium and it won't let you click the new. So, which you really need because you can't go to your, create a new thing, obviously. So I had to reinstall Google Chrome and now it works fine. So if y'all were having issues with that earlier, or if you've tried to do Pixlr before and it just didn't work for you, then try to get Google Chrome and it should work. So let's go to create a new, and we're going to go to 1280 by 720. Now you have all these other options to choose from, and you can do something for Instagram or Facebook, completely up to you. But today we're going to be doing 1280 by 720 because that's the appropriate resolution for YouTube. So this is what you'll start out with, and if you were on Pixlr Pixlr X, it wouldn't have all this stuff at the top. It would just be blank, and that's really complicated. Well, to me it is anyway. So I like to use Pixlr E, and you'll start out with this, and it'll have all these things at the top. Anyway, so first things first, we're going to go to File, and then we're going to open Image. This is the picture that I've chosen to start with. I know there's a way for you to put this like little border in, and I can't remember how. I wish I did, because then you can put a 3D shadow on it, which would have looked super cool, but you live and you learn. Anyway, so then we're going to add a images layer, and with this, if you wanted to figure out how I got this, hold on, you go up here and then you go to Gacha Life logo transparent. Then you go to images, and this is the one I used, and then you click and drag to your file manager, to your documents, to your pictures, to your downloads, whichever you want. It's up to you. I also did this picture right here for, I don't know, just felt like it. Anyway, so we need to find the right spot for this and the size. So I think that's pretty good, and I'm gonna put this right here. What do you think? Yeah. Okay. So this is what we've got. We're gonna go to image again. No, layer, and add image as layer. Then we're gonna add this. It's gonna be really big. Go to the corner. Make it a lot smaller. I'm gonna put it off in this corner right here and turn it for a little pizzazz. But then I'm gonna add a little flavor text, and to do that, I am going to go here, Gacha Life font. I'll go to here, and then it'll go here, and it'll show these, and I'm gonna download it. Awesome. And then it opened on my other screen, and I've got bold, light, regular, and all this. Okay. I'm gonna make sure it's in my downloads, and it is. I'm gonna okay, so I'm gonna exit out of this, and then I am going to go here for adding text. Add text layer. Font, add local font. Downloads here. Okay. Forgot to extract it. Okay. Now it should pop up. And I'm gonna do bold. I'm going to shrink it a bit. Okay. Then I'm going to put download tutorial for PC. Capitalize the T, capitalize the F. What color do I want it? I think I'm gonna go with let's see. Nah. Then I'm going to outline, make the outline white. What's punch out? Nah, not punch out. Shadow. Color of the shadow is gonna be black. Opacity. There we go. Little blur. And there we go. Then we're gonna move it down just a little. I'm gonna change the color a bit to more, maybe move it down more to blue. Yeah, that's a lot better. Okay. And I think maybe I'm going to go to filter, outline, yeah, white, a little there, opacity, there we go. Let's see, outer glow, size, shrink it. What does this do? I don't know, but I'm gonna put it all the way. Filter, inner glow, what does that do? I kinda like that, yeah. And drop shadow, opacity, blur, bring it back a bit. And there. There. Okay. Now go to Gacha Life, filter, drop shadow, bring it down a little bit more, offset it a bit, bring it back, blur, bring down the opacity. Nah. Okay. And that is my thumbnail. Now, if you have any questions or anything about what to do or something, ask me in the comments below. Now, want it to be, is it PNG? No, we'll just go JPEG. And we're gonna bring the quality all the way to 100, and then we're gonna download. And there we go. It should be done. Click it. It's opening with my pictures. And that's my thumbnail. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and comment. And don't forget to hit that bell so you never miss a video. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!